Hello, I'm Brett Gurney, and today I'm going to show you how to place an ad in LeadsLeap. And I think that I will start with showing you how to get credits to apply towards placing that ad. Now, I happen to be a pro member, and so what I'm about to show you, I don't have to do that to place my ads, because if you're a pro member, you get to place the ads without surfing for credits, you could say. I do it anyway because I want to accumulate those credits so that I can place even more ads. But while I'm doing that every day and accumulating those credits, I am placing my pro ads. Pros can do up to 10 ads. So I think first I will show you how to surf for credits as a free member so that you can place your ads and show your websites. So I'm at my dashboard here of LeadsLeap, and so I'm going to go to, actually I think you can do this from any window. The ads will pop up on the right hand side, as you can see here. Let me just move this guy down here a little bit. And so these blocks are ads that you can click for credits. So it's very simple. You just click one, and then as soon as this pops up, you click on this to open your link in a new window. And there's the ad that you're going to look at. Okay, that's kind of a weird one. And then if you look down here in the bottom left where my mouse is, this shows you when you have, when it says +1 above the number, then your time, my time is only 5 seconds as a pro. I don't know what it is for free, but it's done. And so then you can go up here and close out the ad. So now you have one, and then you go, so here the ads are over here now in this window. So you go, it doesn't matter which one. If you see something that catches your eye and you want to check it out, just click that one, but any one. And so you click that, and you just do this over and over and over again. You click in here, and then once your timer is up, if you look down here, it'll go +1. And that means I have to pull this down each time because my little thing here is covering up the closeout. And then, so now you've got 2. So you go again there. And now you've got 3. And as soon as that +1 pops up, there it is, and it's ready. That means you can shut this down. If you close this before it's ready, before that +1 pops up, then you don't get it. You got to do it over again. Okay, so you just do this until your heart's content. And I've got 616 saved up so far that I'm not using this, because this is for what they call the credit ads, which a free member has to do, but as a pro, you can do both. Okay? So that's how you surf for ads. It's that simple. So you just accumulate your credits. This is how many you have for the day. 2.76 is what I have for the day so far. This is how many clicks I've done. It's not exactly a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm not sure how they figure that, but it's just how they do it. And so that's how you click for credits. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard here, and now I'm going to place an ad. I'm going to do the pro ad because that's where I have my ads. I haven't done, you can see here, post credit ads, which is for free. I haven't done those yet, and like I showed you, I'm accumulating those points. So I'm just going to leave that alone for now, but the process is the same. Okay, as far as placing the ads, it's the same. So I'm going to go here to post my pro ad. This is my ads window, my pro ads here. You get pro members get 10 ads. I've got 9 out of 10. I had 10 and I just deleted one so that I had room to do this presentation. So now I have 9 active. I can do one more. So this is very simple. You just click on add a new ad. And in here you put in the information. And so I'm going to show you, let's see, what ad should I place? I'm going to place an ad for my primary business, which is Live Good. And I have, I'm looking at my other screen here. I have a link here for a capture page that I'm going to use. And I'll show it to you by opening up another window here. Paste and go. So this is my lead capture page, whatever you want to call it, splash page, landing page, which is simply a page that is compelling enough to get a person to put in their information. And see, what this does is that this eliminates me having to send my traffic directly to the company site, which they frown on, and it's not as good as capturing the information this way as well, because you want this information and you want to buffer these people between this page and the company page. Now, I'll show you this on a different video, but if I were to put in my name and email address and then click on this button here, grab your top spot, that would redirect me directly to my Live Good Tour page. Okay, so this is just like a buffer page, okay, which keeps you safe. So that's the link I'm going to use to do my ad. So let me close that out and go back here. So I just put that in the URL. There's my URL. Now a catchy title. And let's see, before I did this, I just grabbed a notepad real quick. And because this has to be 25 characters, and this one, which is the title, and then the ad text has to be no more than 60 characters. So sometimes you got to play around with it a little bit to get the right amount. So what I like to do sometimes is just prepare it so that I'm not fumbling around with it when it's time to do this presentation. So this is going to be my title here. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in there. You don't have to copy and paste it. You can just type it in and do it however you want. Okay, but my title is going to be Life-Changing Products. And then let's see, what was my... Okay, I chose this as my text. Copy. So my text is unlimited income potential, no experience necessary. And the ad is really that simple. There's one last thing, of course. You've got to put an image to your ad. It'll preview here. This is just a preview, okay? But when you finish your ad, they will show up over, like, for example, over here, that other members will click to get their credits. They'll click your ad and they'll see your website. That's how this all works. So click here to add an image. So I'm going to do that, and this little thing pops up here and it just says upload an image. So I'm going to click there, and this goes to my my hard drive, and I've got I'll go to my Live Good folder, and then to my banners folder, and I'll make these bigger so I can see them better. And it doesn't really matter, I'll just choose this one, exclusive life-changing products. and that'll put that in there. Okay, and if this wasn't this image has to be 300 pixels by 250 pixels or less. It can't be, if it's bigger than that, you might have to mess around with this a little bit to get it to fit in there better. And if it's smaller than that, it won't look right because it'll only take up like half of the spot, and I don't even know if they'll let you do it. Try to get as close to 300 by 250 if it's bigger than that. And if it's not quite exactly, you can mess around here a little bit and change it so that it fits in there better. Just get it to where it fits in as best as you can. You'll see how it works when you start playing around with it. And then when you got it, you just click the green check, and it's going to think for a second, and then it's going to see, there it is. And then you just keep going down a category that best fit your ad. Just choose something that's close. I'll just choose internet marketing. For optional ad type, I haven't messed around with these others. I just choose standard ad, and even it tells you choose this if you're unsure. So I'm unsure, so I'm going to choose standard ad. And then you could save this as a draft if you're not ready to submit it now. I'm not sure why a person would want to do that, but you can also preview the saved ad. So I'll preview it, and that's what it looks like. Okay, right there is what it looks like. So I'll save this. Click OK. Your ad has been submitted. Now, if I close this out, this part here, now you can see that this new ad is part of the rest of my ads. And if I wanted to test it, I would just click on that right there, and oh, well, that's not how you test it. Let's see. How do I preview this? Well, let's preview this saved ad. There it is, and if I was to open this, then the website will probably pop up. Yeah, so that's how you just make sure everything's working right, and there it is. So that's how you place an ad in LeadsLeap. Okay, so I'll do some more videos. There's a lot of stuff to go over. It's not difficult. It's just that there's a lot of little pieces. Anybody can learn it, and you can do just about everything as a free member, except you don't get the autoresponder. So you wouldn't have the list manager, which is where you set up your list for your autoresponder. Actually, you would have a list manager. You just wouldn't have the email series, which is the autoresponder. But as a free member, if you're building a list, you can still broadcast to your leads. So, and with LeadsLeap, they host everything. Your pages, your leads. But I just wanted to show you in this particular video how to surf for ad credits and how to place an ad. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.